Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you guys how to add someone's Instagram story to my story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So when someone mention you in their Instagram story, then you will be able to share their story to your Instagram story. But if someone not mention you on their Instagram story, then you won't be able to share their story onto your story. But now I'm gonna show you tricks. So from here I'm opening a story, and after that I'm taking a screenshot of this story. After taking here, you can crop your story, and after that click on done and go back to Instagram. So after opening your Instagram homepage, now click on your story, and from here select the screenshot and now click on share your story, share. And after that, if I open my Instagram story, here we can see I shared someone's story into my Instagram story. So this was the way we can share someone's Instagram story to my story. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.